Chapter 3.1 Representing Algorithms, Lesson Part 1.1 Understand and Explain the term abstraction. In this video, we will talk about abstraction, which is on page 17, 18, 19, and 20. Let's start. So, what is abstraction? Abstraction is the process of taking away or removing irrelevant characteristics. And why do we do the abstraction? In order to reduce the irrelevant characteristics to something that is simpler. And the ultimate goal is to understand something better. Now, let's see the first example. A geographical map of the London Underground station. As you can see, we have so many lines and so many colors. This map is so difficult to understand. So, in such a case, we use abstraction in order to make this map simpler and easy for anyone to understand and read. So, we will remove the irrelevant characteristics. Now, after the abstraction, this is how the new map will look like. Figure 1.3, an original abstracted map of the London Underground. So, as you can see now, the map is easier to read and it is simpler. In other words, after the abstraction, the map is much easier to read and to understand because we do not have irrelevant characteristics anymore.